let's talk about the protective serum. So this is good for anyone in the frangipani stress skin type or environment skin type. What those skin types mean is that you have sensitive skin. So this is a combination of apricot kernel oil and carrot seed oil. Those are very high in vitamin A. That will help reduce redness. It will calm the skin down. Then there's some rosemary essential oil in here, which is a gentle antibacterial. It won't irritate your sensitive skin. This is perfect for anyone with rosacea, psoriasis, or eczema. Rosacea is specific to the cheeks, so when you use this, you want to spray 2 pumps in the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, start on your cheeks, and then rub over your whole face. If you're applying it on another part of your body with eczema or psoriasis, just spray 1 pump, rub it in until it absorbs, and then you'll be good. You can do that once or twice a day. The full size is a 6-month supply, and the trial sizes are a 3-month supply.